Burrill Lake Cave, just behind our backyards, and not far from the trees. The mountains watch it all, the changes and the pain. They witness the first leaves fall, and we'll see them fall again. You can sense the weight of time here. Although Burrill has been renamed, it still breathes ancient air. And if you listen closely, with open mind, you may hear their voices. In this shelter, life was sacred. In this shelter, life was precious. In this shelter, home was passed through generations. In this shelter, stories existed. In this shelter, stories are entrusted.